guys, it's Paul Cunningham from Forest Frame. It's been a while. We're back on next week. Should be back on the screens on Sunday or Monday with some more photography videos. I'm just off to a location just now in the car. This will be the first location I'm actually recording, and I'll see you at the other side next Sunday. The reason why it's taking so long is, of course, as you can see here, this is the office of my new house, and it's still being worked on at the moment. We've not moved in yet. We're just at the moment just waiting for things to get done. The delay was we had builders in, didn't make a good job. We had to get it done again. We've got someone out. Just going to briefly tell you what the office is going to have. So the office already has a magnetic wall, obviously stolen idea from Simon Baxter, who had a very intuitive idea of putting ferrous paint, magnetic paint, on the wall. He put 4 coats on, I've put 6 coats on because there's a fair bit of paint on that. And on this side, this is my corner of knowledge. This will be where my books are, pretty much all the photography books, etc. And there's a lovely little fireplace there, more books there. Here's going to be the desk, so I can get rooms to put camera, tripods, etc. to film me. And yeah, as you see, there's a lot of light coming to this room because there's I think it's south-facing actually, if I remember right. So yeah, this is a hold-up. So as you see, I quite like the colour. This is the colour I'm going for. And yeah, what else it would be if it's trees? So guys, we should be here soon. So what's been happening in world photography for you guys? Leave a comment below. Let me know how your photography's going. Have been out. How you actually been finding the winter of discontent, of taking pictures of trees. So spring's just around the corner in a couple of weeks' time. I'll get more vibrant looking forests coming soon. So guys, thanks for your patience and sticking along with me from the channel. And I will see you back next Sunday evening. Cheerio, bye.